Good day, ma'am. This is my report about chemistry. Chemistry, from the Greek word chemeia, meaning cast together or pour together. It is the study of composition, structure, properties, and transformation. They undergo and the energy that is released or absorbed during process. Chemistry also acts as a minor a major determinant in meeting the human needs for food, healthcare products, and also other materials that are aimed at improving the life quality. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The matter exists in three states or physical states: solids, liquids, and gases. States of matter. Solids are those particles that are held very tightly to each other, and they do not have enough freedom to move. Liquids are those particles that are close to each other but have freedom to move around. Gases are those particles that stay apart from each other with easy and fast movement. Physical change versus chemical change. Physical change is a change in properties such as texture, shape, or state. Physical changes Physical change in matter are reversible. Chemical change represent the formation of new substance after atoms rearrange in a chemical reaction. Chemical change, on the other hand, are not reversible. Mass versus weight. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter that an object contains. Weight is a measure of force that is equal to the gravitational pull on an object. Example: your body mass is a set value, but your weight is different on the moon compared weight on earth. Branch of chemistry. Organic chemistry, the study of the structure, properties, and reaction of compounds and material that contain carbon and atom. Inorganic chemistry, the study the study of properties and behavior of inorganic compound, including materials including metals, minerals, and organic compounds. Analytical chemistry, the science of obtaining, processing, and communicating information about the composition of structure or matter. Biochemistry, the study of the structure, composition, and chemical reaction of substance in living system. Physical chemistry, the study of how matter behaves on a molecular and atomic level, and how chemical reaction occur. Chemistry and criminology. The field of law directly does not have anything to do with chemistry, but the benefits of chemistry in this field of law can be felt when the application of the criminal proof of crime. Dangerous drugs. Table of contents. Types, origin, characteristic, laws against abuse drugs, classification of drugs. Methadone. Methadone, a synthetic opioid, is commonly used as drug substitute in the treatment of morphine and heroin addiction, while methadone lessens the painful symptoms of opiate withdrawal and block the effects of opiates. The drug was still frequently referenced in overdose death between 2011 and 2016, according to the CDC. As a central nervous system depressant, methadone is used with other depressants like alcohol or alcohol. The combined substance can cause dangerously low blood pressure and respiratory depression. If an individual is using methadone beyond its intended means or taking a more significant amount than recommended by a doctor, this increases their risk of addiction and unintentional overdose. In that case, treatment option may need to be considered for methadone abuse. Morphine. Morphine is prescribed to treat severe pain, and it belongs to a class of drug known as opioid analgesics. According to the CDC, studies have shown that even 3 days of opioid treatment can increase the likelihood chronic opioid use. Drinking alcohol, taking prescription on non-prescription medication that contains alcohol, or using street drugs while using morphine increase the risk that an individual will experience severe breath problem, overdose, and potential death. Like other opioid-based medication, morphine carries a high risk for abuse and addiction even when used as prescribed. If someone else is showing warning signs of morphine addiction, it may be time to consider treatment option. Cocaine, also known as blow, coke, and crack, is a strong stimulant that is used as a recreational drug. Cocaine is associated with long-term health risks including heart disease, hypertension, organ failure, respiratory distress, stroke, unhealthy weight loss, and seizure. According to the CDC, cocaine deaths have been rising recently years and show no sign of slowing down. Almost 20% of the overdose deaths that occurred in 2019 were linked to cocaine. An individual should never cease cocaine use abruptly with or without medical supervision because dangerous and life-threatening withdrawal symptoms can occur for the for those experiencing difficulty quitting cocaine use. Various therapies and support group can help with the treatment and long-term recovery.